Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a much needed update. On Fetch, all right, we have given up the level. We have done what we were afraid of. I'm slightly mixed right now on Fetch, and the main reason for that is, and by the way, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We'll do a full analysis on Fetch. I cover this daily almost right now, so I'm kind of like talking, I'm kind of continuing on what I said yesterday, but we'll do a full analysis, all right? We'll talk about it fundamentally, we'll talk about it short term, we'll talk about it long term, a little bit more long term in this video, because what happened overnight, and which has been going on for the last week, basically, last 5 days at least, is the market is crashing, all right? And there's multiple reasons for that. If you want a detailed analysis of what's going on and why things are happening, check out my Bitcoin video, all right? But in short, there's a lot of tension, both economically and financially throughout the world, which causes a lot of uncertainty, and which causes risk on assets like Bitcoin and especially Fetch. It's a very risky asset, causes them to drop. All right, now it still remains to be seen how long that will take, and we could also bounce back very soon, but for now that is still the case, and that's why fundamentally we are bearish. And that's also what I said about Fetch, and we'll zoom out a bit here. The main level we talked about yesterday was this level around $1. And what I said 2 days ago is, if we hit that level, I'll buy. But yesterday morning, I covered Fetch as well, and I had to update it, I had to cover it, because what I said then is that I will no longer buy from $1, all right? The market is not strong enough, especially not on the weekend. So hopefully, if you followed my videos, I rarely give buy areas like that. I give them more in my signal group and my premium group, and there I also update them much better. But I'm happy I made the video, and hopefully you also, if you followed me buying from $1, you also sold it at break even, at entry, because like a coin hitting such a strong level in the weekend is never good, because the weekend always provides less liquidity and less strength. But in the market circumstances we already saw yesterday, was not to be trusted. But all right, drop down lower. Drop down to the support level we talked about afterwards. Like if $1 breaks, we would drop down to 75 cents, and we are bouncing relatively well from that. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, we got a nice candle from there. It's too early to call this bullish, all right? For Fetch to become bullish here, we need to break above $1. And I'll be honest with you, just at the start of this video, I don't see that happening. All right, there's still, like I said, fundamentally too much uncertainty, too much fear. If Fetch is able to break above $1 here, somewhere in the next week, I will probably buy, all right, because that's a very good setup. But no, for now, I expect, like if you zoom out, this level right here, and we can make it a little bit bigger. I think this level, it's mainly between 0.65 cents and 0.75 cents. I think that support level is strong enough to hold us now. All right, for multiple reasons. First of all, Fetch has already dropped down a lot. I think Fetch/ASI is one of the projects that actually does have a little bit of real value, which makes it more attractive to buy. And then I think the market has also found some sort of a bottom right here. All right, so drop down a little bit lower here into like 70, into 65 cents is a possibility. But for now, I do think that level as a whole will hold. And that's a bit of a risky thing to say, because this is definitely not bullish. But that's what I think for now. Should you buy from there? No, I think that's too risky. You could try something from like 65 cents, like the very lowest point. That's a possibility, but for now, I do expect it to hold. I think it's too uncertain to buy from here. Maybe if we hit that and we get a bullish breakout on the lower time frames, that's a good buy. But for now, some sort of a bottom here and consolidation is what I expect. Because I don't think, even though I think this support is strong enough to hold us for now, I don't think it's strong enough to cause an uptrend. And that's why I'm telling you, I think it's more likely it will consolidate. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.